best Pro1, it has, when we turn it on, it's the boot up. It also defaults to relax. And to change modes, you just simply hit the center button and you have changed modes. There's 4 possible selections. The default is always relax. Relax is the mode for which you can do dosing. And dosing you've seen with the RSI and other modes is quite similar. There is an assessment feature on this particular version of the Avazia device, and it has the ability to tell you the condition of the tissue. Now, I'm going to set some power. So this is your power band. You can see that. Watch what happens. Let me just show that real quick. And you can probably hear it. And as the power increases, you can see that it just travels up in a bandwidth. In these 3 modes, the power indicators are only power indicators. However, if I go back to relax now, they went out. And yet we know that power's on because it stings. So let me bring the power back down. In the relax mode, if you're going up or down in power, the lights will indicate power level. When you're not changing the power in this mode, it will give you it'll give you the ability to assess tissue. You'll be able to assess whether the tissue is chronic, normal, or inflamed. By chronic, we mean degenerative, low blood flow, the tissue's colder. So, for example, we touch skin, we have the 4th light here. Probably get another 4th light. There's a 3rd light, which is, now you'll see numbers on there, 5 and 6 or something like that. But basically, I just count by the lights. There's 5 lights. Even the speed of the blinking will tell you within that light whether it's lower or higher. So that's the 4th light, and it's blinking a little quicker than it was when it was in the 3rd light, in that location. That is your assessment feature. When you take it off tissue, there's no assessment being made. So you have no light. Doesn't mean your power went away, your power's still there too. And that is the advantage of the best Pro1.